And people keep forgetting that we keep seeing repeated instances of the crisis. 17th century Holland, we had a price tulip at $75,000 per tulip, and within a few months it collapsed to $1 per tulip. The principle of regulation in the financial world has still now been let's remove ignorance from the market and not stupidity. And clearly, that's not adequate any longer. We have had lots of rich people. We have got very senior people in the financial world who have been stupid, and it's not just they who paid for their stupidity. It's the entire market which has collapsed because their kind of wrong actions. What we clearly need is a holistic look at regulations. And the problem has been that there has not been good quality of regulation. It's not the absence of regulation, but lack of good quality of regulation, which gave false comfort to people that these, for instance, credit rating agencies were giving good and proper ratings. So people got false comforts. In fact, these poorly designed regulations were worse than no regulations at all. So clearly, I think that's one area which needs to be looked at to solve the crisis. Second area is alignment of interest between the company and its directors, between the company and various agencies like credit rating agencies, and also director and other senior management compensation, which seems to have been completely out of whack over the last 8 years. We need transparency clearly, which is the third thing which needs to be done. And I think a lot of people today are claiming that mark-to-market is partly responsible for the crash, and clearly that's a stupid argument. We've lived in a world where we were marking to myths, and by breaking the mirror, I don't think we're going to get any prettier. We clearly need to have more transparency relating to disclosure of derivatives pricing, for instance, and various other areas which have been completely ignored. So just to conclude, I think we've had beautiful hypotheses and beautiful models being slayed by ugly facts. It's time to kind of wake up and take action, both in terms of alignment of interests of people and transparency. Thank you.